Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically play and interact with your cats in Heartopia. So it's a little bit different from dogs. So I just got a cat today, and you're just going to select play. Basically, you'll need to react correctly to the prompts the cat gives you. It does take a few seconds for it to pop up, so just be patient, and you have to kind of click as fast as you can and copy the action that your cat wants. It's obviously different from training your cats and dogs. If you are kind of slow, it says great. So let's try this again. Let's be faster this time. Oh my gosh, that one takes so long for me to press for some reasons. But yeah, that is pretty much it really. Again, different from training dogs. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. I did something wrong.